we present a guiding system to help blind people walk seamlessly in public spaces by understanding their walking behavior. The system recommends the user to take an alternative path around pedestrians, or to adjust his or her walking speed. Sighted pedestrians are continuously adapting their speed and direction to walk seamlessly with nearby pedestrians. However, blind people face significant challenges when navigating public spaces due to their lack of vision. Our system has a LiDAR sensor, an IMU, and two RGBD cameras to obtain wide field of view. By using a CNN-based object detector and a SLAM-based localization method, the system estimates the behavior of the user and nearby pedestrians. Then, the system predicts risks of collisions and alerts users to help them avoid collisions. The system has the on-path mode and off-path mode. The on-path mode helps users adapt their walking speed without changing the path. If some people are blocking their path, users can push the start button on the handle to enable the off-path mode. The off-path mode generates an alternative path to go around standing pedestrians in the way. We implemented tactile and audio interface to find out which interface is more suitable for collision avoidance. The audio interface alerts risks of collisions by using beep sounds, and guides the user by using text-to-speech feedback. The tactile interface warns risks of collisions with the vibrating handle, and navigates users with the newly developed directional lever, which shows the correct direction. We conducted a user study with 14 blind people, and evaluated the effectiveness of overall guiding system and each interface. In this study, we prepared the controlled environment and real-world environment. Blind participants walked through these environments with the audio interface or the tactile interface. Results reveal that blind users successfully avoided pedestrians using both interfaces. The directional lever guided blind participants significantly faster than the speech-based audio interface. And participants had significantly higher expectation on the tactile interface because the tactile interface did not block ambient sound.